Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video we're going to be looking at how the world's most powerful AI video generator, Seedance 2.0, has just been rolled out worldwide and is available to use in the free app Capcut. Now, Seedance 2.0 was developed by the company that own TikTok, and that is ByteDance. They are also the company responsible for Capcut, which is a free video editor for PC, Mac, and for smartphones. Just this week, ByteDance announced that they were rolling out Seedance 2.0 across the app worldwide, and it was staggered between different countries, but it's now pretty much available everywhere. So I'm going to quickly show you how to use the AI video generator. It's very simple. I've just fired up the desktop version of Capcut, but this workflow will pretty much be the same on the smartphones and for the PC version. So if you don't have Capcut yet, it's free to download. I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment of this video. And if you go on to use the Pro version of the app, you will also get a discount. So this is the screen that you'll see when you first fire up the app on a computer. And all we're going to do here is select AI Video Maker right here. You can get inspiration from some of the trending posts here and make your own version of them, or you can simply enter your prompt up here. I've got a little prompt that I've already made. I copied and pasted. It's a simple little prompt of a cat and a parrot walking up to a Ring doorbell. And what you want to do here, instead of using auto, just hit the drop down menu and select video. From here, you want to select Dramina Seedance 2.0, and you're going to click on that. I want to do mine as a vertical video. So I'm going to select the 9:16 ratio, and I want mine to be 8 seconds long. With that now, I'm going to hit this button, send, and it's now generating that video for me. You do get some free credits to get started, but if you want to make a lot of videos, you will have to purchase some more credits to generate lots of content. Okay, so the video has finished generating. Let's have a look at the result.
Excuse me, have you seen our friend Linda the squirrel?
John, there is a parrot at the front door.
I would say that's definitely a step up in quality from Sora 2, which is the open AI model, which is actually being shut down on the 26th of April this year. So we'll no longer have access to Sora 2. You can see here on the Capcut mobile app as well that it's really easy to use just by going down to the bottom of the Capcut app and selecting right here where it says AI Lab. Then you basically just create it the same way as you would on the desktop app. So that is how you can now make videos with Seedance 2.0. You can do it on your computer or your smartphone. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and you can try it out for free with the free Capcut app, which I've left a link in the pinned comment and the description of this video for. Do remember that if you want to make a lot of videos, you will need the Pro subscription. I do actually use a couple of other websites which are like video aggregators, which work out being a bit cheaper per video generation. One is Top Media AI and the other is OpenArt AI. Top Media AI does have the Seedance 2.0 now integrated into it. OpenArt AI is one that I have used a lot, but they have yet to integrate Seedance 2.0. They've got Seedance 1.5, which is not as powerful a video generator. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment if you've got anything to ask, and I'll see you in the next video.